Hello everyone, welcome back to our Bali travel series. Today we are visiting Tanah Lot, one of the most famous sea temples in Bali. This is not just a tourist place, it is a very important Hindu temple in Bali. The name Tanah Lot means land in the sea. Now we are walking towards the temple. You can see small shops and local items around. This is a traditional Balinese gate. It is called Candi Bentar. It represents balance and harmony. And here it is Tanah Lot temple. The temple is built on a rock in the sea. During high tide it looks like it is floating. Built in the 16th century by a priest named Dang Hyang Nirartha. He believed this place had strong spiritual energy. Tanah Lot is also part of the 7 sea temples. These temples protect the island of Bali. The waves here are strong. They continuously hit the rocks. There is also a belief that sacred sea snakes protect this temple. From above, the view is beautiful. You can clearly see the temple in the ocean. This is one of the most iconic views in Bali. Visitors cannot enter the main temple unless they are coming for prayer, but the surrounding views are amazing. If you visit in the evening, you can see a beautiful sunset. The light, the sea and the temple, everything looks magical. Tanah Lot is more than a scenic spot. It is a mix of culture, nature and belief. Definitely worth visiting in Bali. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.